What if I told you that you can get official certificate from HP for free? No hidden charges, no cost, no trial, no just fake websites. Everything is official and genuine. Isn't it amazing? And that too absolutely for free. That's really amazing and it's genuine. So, and today I have a surprise for every single one of you, and also I have some exciting news. And because I wanted to share that I have officially become an HP Life ambassador, and because of that, today I'll be showing you one of the most underrated learning platform that hardly anyone is just talking about. What is it? Just stay tuned till the last. So I'll be sharing you many things. So just stay tuned. So yeah. Hi everyone, my name is Rohan Ramprasad and you are watching Rohan Develops. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, I am Rohan, and on this channel we just talk about different types of AI things, internships, certification, tech and opportunities, and student progress, and everything that matters for a student growth. So today we are back again with a new topic that recently HP selected me as their HP Life Ambassador, and honestly I'm just super excited to share everything with you because HP Life is something genuinely helping students across the world learn valuable business and digital skills for free. No cost, they just want to give you knowledge and official certifications to add value. And today's surprise is going to be, I'm going to share the exact platform that you heard it right. I'm going to share the exact platform where you can complete these courses and receive the official HP certificate of completion. That's amazing, right? So, what is HP Life? Let me give you a brief about it. So, first of all, what exactly is HP Life? HP Life stands for the Learning Initiatives for Entrepreneurs. It is a global learning platform by HP Foundation. The platform provides over 30 completely free online courses. Let me read out it for you so you don't miss anything. So, it provides 30 completely free online courses covering business, AI, communication, finance, marketing, cybersecurity, and professional development. And let me tell you the best part about it, every completed courses give you an official HP certificate of completion, that too absolutely for free, no charges. All you need is your curiosity to complete it and determination. And let me tell you, it's not hard courses, it's beginner friendly. Every completed courses give you an official HP certificate of completion. These certificates are issued by HP Life and can be added to your LinkedIn, resume, portfolio, internship applications, and there are no just platform or subscription fees or any training courses or any training charge, nothing, 0 rupees or $0. And many courses are even available offline in your if you access it via downloading their app. So yeah, so let's just quickly explore the website, how it's going to be. It will be consisting of the home page, categories, search bar, popular courses, then continue to the different types of things and so on. So there are just multiple categories available. What it is, like communication, digital business skills, entrepreneurship, finance, marketing, professional development. So whether you are a college student or someone, a freelancer, or someone just starting a business, or even if you are a professional working in corporate, this is for you to add value to your stuffs. And that's literally something for everyone which inspires you all. What are the best courses according to me which I have explored till now? Now let me show you one of my favorite courses. Like, this is called AI for beginners. What exactly it is? This course explain AI from scratch. So what you will be learning, what AI is, how business uses AI, and why data matters for AI, and ethics of AI. And it is just perfect for any beginner who doesn't know what exactly is AI and want to explore. And let me tell you, it's not what you think, like simply it will tell you that AI is this or that, but it's not like that. You need to explore to gain the experience, how, what exactly it is. It is really fun, especially the cybersecurity. You should definitely check that out. And my next favorite topic is also on that. So introduction to cybersecurity awareness certification is about what you will be learning. You all always wanted to learn about cybersecurity, hacking and all, but didn't know where to begin exactly, that first entry foundation point. So this is the fantastic starting point, I would say. What you will be learning: common cyber attacks, password phishing, online safety, and data protection. It's that simple. And let me tell you, it was such a good thing. You will be introduced to some different types of games through animations and making you aware about the basics of cybersecurity. The third one is AI for business professional. If you already know AI basics, so this course teaches you how AI can improve productivity and the decision making in business professional life or corporate thing. And the next one is professional networking course. So professional networking course is one of the most underrated certification which is associated with your most underrated skills, that is professional networking. Networking can just literally give you the internship opportunities or the PPO, and even before your resume just even reaches to the HR. And believe me or not, networking is the best thing, and AI cannot replace this stuff. Resume writing and job interviewing. This course teaches how to create better resume and prepare for the interview if you are planning to get some placement or PPO or internship at HP. This is something really valuable. Next one is effective leadership. If you are part of a club, communities, or college events or something around your thing, like if you are running a Google club, Microsoft club, or any types of club in your college, so this is the best thing. This course is extremely useful. I would say extremely. Data science and analytics. It is going to be a booming field, and it is already at the top right now. Many people are switching to data science. If you are interested in data science, this is another excellent beginner friendly course. So, and yes, let me show you some of my personal favorite and completed certifications and all. So yes, I personally completed a few courses already back in my second year, and I was trying to make a video to make you all aware, but as I'm HP Life Ambassador right now, so I thought let's make a video and make you all also complete this kind of courses, so you can also earn the certificate. If you are new to LinkedIn and don't know what to post, this is exactly the best thing you can pursue and get it. So I personally completed a few courses already, if I could show on the screen. And I completed AI for beginners, which covers the AI fundamentals things, business application, the importance of data, and ethical implications. The certificate confirms successful completion of the course. That's exactly right. So next one is this one, cybersecurity certificate. I also completed introduction to cybersecurity awareness, where I just learned about common cybersecurity threats and the basic way, all the basic stuffs to keep online data more secure. And so yes, these are the real certificates from HP Life. And let me tell you, these certificates are not long, like 30 hours, 40 hours, 10 hours. It's not like that. It's really easy to complete such kind of course. It will just hardly take you 60 minutes, 60 to 120 minutes to complete one course. That's right. It's really amazing. And the surprise which I didn't forgot about it, as I promised. I'm sharing the HP Life website with all of you. So the link of this HP Life courses will be in the description and comment box. So go and check it out and click it out yourself. Just go on it, log in yourself. You can create your account completely free today and just start learning. Complete courses at your own pace. There is no restriction or limitation that you have to complete within such kind of duration. You can complete it at your own pace. You can just start learning, complete courses at your own pace, and earn official HP certificates, whether you are in your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, or your final year. And even if you are working in corporate, as I told earlier, this platform is genuinely worth checking out. So you should just go to the URL, that HP Life one, and yeah. So why students should just use it? Why students should pursue this kind of certification? Not because it is by HP. Nowadays everyone is just chasing certificates, right? So but not every certificate has value, and most of them are just fake paid courses to consume your time. But not every certificate just having such kind of value. It is not just backed by HP Foundation. So what's the real reason I recommend HP Life is because it is completely backed by the HP Foundation. You can trust HP blindly. This content is practical, courses are just beginner friendly, certificates are official, and most importantly, it's completely free. Even if you complete just one course per week, even it just take within a few months, you will have an impressive learning portfolio which you can add to your resume. So that's it for today's video, and I'm really happy to share this opportunity with all of you, this kind of courses. As an HP Life ambassador, I'll also be just sharing all the more updates, new courses, and learning opportunity in future videos. If this video just helped you, consider liking it, subscribe to Rohan Develops, and comment which HP Life courses you are going to complete first, this or that. And if you're learning on your first certificate, just post it on LinkedIn and tag me on Instagram and LinkedIn. I would love to see your achievements. And that's all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. So that's all from my side. This is Rohan Ramprasad signing off.